They sometimes they went into depression kind of disease they are caught by among the unemployed youth. And that is why sometimes maybe you must have heard about that they commit suicides and all. So this is just because of this unemployed situation. Now crime and antisocial activities may increase in the society. Crime means if they do not have source of income, so they have to survive, and for their survival sometimes they get indulged in criminal and antisocial activities that harms our society, overall growth of our society, and creates tensions and mutual misunderstandings among the people. Now next is unemployment condition in India. Unemployment condition in India, in case of India, statistically the unemployment rate is very low. A large number of people represented with low income and productivity are counted as employed. Yes, because in India most of the people are engaged in agriculture sector, and in agriculture the biggest problem is of having disguised unemployment. So that is why they are having low income, and productivity is also counted, but their productivity is counted as employed. So this is just because of the problem of disguised unemployment. They appear to work throughout the year, but in terms of their potential and income it is not adequate for them. Yes, sometimes the people well qualified and higher educated people are engaged in very low income jobs, means as per their qualification they are unable to find jobs, and that is why neither they are working as per their potential, and they are unable to earn according to their potential and qualification. So whatever the income they are having, that is not sufficient for them. The work that they are pursuing seems forced upon them. They may therefore want other work for of their choice. Yes, sometimes their circumstances force them to join any kind of job. It seems that is a burden on them. They are not willing to work, means they are not happy with working that kind of work, or they may therefore want the work of their choice, means the work in which they are having interest, the skill, the profession in which they are basically interested, they look for that. Poor people cannot afford to sit idle. Those who are having poor, means they cannot sit idle. They tend to engage in any activity irrespective of its earning potential, means just because of their poor status, whatever the job they get, whatever the earning activity they get, they engage themselves in those activities to earn their livelihood. Even they can earn more if they get as per their choice, if they choose the work of their choice. Their earning keeps them on a bare subsistence level, because the earning source they are having, that is having very low income or limited income, and that is why that because of that limited income they live on bare subsistence, means hardly they are able to fulfill their basic needs. Moreover, employment structure is characterized by self-employment in primary sector. Yes, beta, this is the biggest problem of our country, that in our country employment structure is self-employment, and self-employment in primary sector. Primary sector is related to agriculture sector. The whole family contributes in the field, even though not everybody is really needed. Again, that is the disguised unemployment, means everybody is not required for that work, but all the family members are engaged with that field activity. So there is disguised unemployment in agriculture sector, but the entire family shares what has been produced. Whatever they have produced from, or they have earned the profit from that piece of land, from over that profit only the whole family survival depends. This concept of sharing of work in the field and the produce reduces the hardship of unemployment in the rural sector, but this does not reduce the poverty of the family. Yes, definitely in disguised unemployment, whatever the hardship of unemployment means in rural sector means it seems that people are engaged and anyhow they are managed to survive, but such kind of situation does not reduce the poverty of the family, means the family is not growing to improve their the family is not able to improve their living standard. Okay, they remain in the same poor condition or poor survival. This is the scenario, this is the unemployment condition in India, how the people live. Now employment scenario in three sectors. In starting I have to explain you that on the economic activities are classified on the basis of their nature of work into three, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. So now there is this is the current status of employment scenario, means employment scenario in three sectors.